communicating. Thank you. All right, here we go. 7.2, number 7/3. 7.2, number 7/3. 7.2, number 7/3. Okay, determine the area. Okay, I'm not going to do a lot of these because there's 4 questions to each one. I'm going to do this one, but I'm not going to do 2 or 3 of these. So I'm not going to do 2 or 3 of them. I'm going to do one of these, and we're going to do 2 on each graph. I've got some of these, and I will send them to you if you want me to. In fact, I'll do that right now. Hold on a second. Let me go to your post page, and I'll just show you what I'm doing right here. Bring it over here. There's y'all's post page, and I'm going to send it to you right now. I'm going to send you both of them. You know, I know there's only 2 of y'all that's going to use it, but I think it's under documents, I believe. Normal distribution 2. And I think you already have normal distribution 1, but I'm going to send it to you anyway, because some of y'all aren't going to lift a finger to try to find it. So I might as well send it to you again. And the things I do for y'all. Normal distribution. Where's normal distribution? I might have to let me just do this. Normal distribution. There it is. Well, I don't want to. Oh, man. I don't want to do that. I just want to find it. I'm about ready to quit. That's why I shouldn't do things for y'all. When I do things for y'all, I end up taking class. Normal distribution. There we go. And I'm only doing it for 2 people because other people are too lazy to print it out and use it. What?
I appreciate you doing it.
I appreciate. I'm glad, Miss Macagina. I'm glad that you appreciate it. All right, so that's 2 per page, and that's 1 per page. So you should be able to go over there now and print that out. I'm going to do it and help y'all out a little bit. All right. So the first one I'm going to do, let's do colors. Green, pink, orange, and blue. Okay, so Z is equal to 0.67. Z is equal to 0.7 is in pink. And green is Z is equal to 0.05. Z is equal to 0.05 in green. Orange, Z is equal to negative 1.65. Z is equal to negative 1.65. And blue, Z is equal to 1.54. Z is equal to 1.54. Okay, so I'm going to go now to my handy dandy. Okay, so here is this is normal distribution 2. It's got 2 graphs on it. Kind of save y'all a little bit of, and I'm just going to, there's the number of homework we're on. 7.2, 7/3. Okay, where is 0.67? Well, 0.67 is a little bit past 0.5. So let's label our bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Okay, so that's labeled. And pink 0.67, there's 0.5. So 0.67 is probably right in there. And the directions say the area to the what of these numbers? Anybody read the directions?
The area to the right.
I think it said to the left, didn't it? Or did it say to the right?
For part A, it said to the right.
All right, let me look. Because the ones I did yesterday were to the left. Let me check. You are correct. Thank you for telling me. To the right. Okay, so here is the area that we're going to find to the right. It's right here. Now, if you have a new calculator, it's pretty simple. If you have an old calculator, you're going to have to read from left to right. Okay, we know this is called positive 9999. Okay, so we know that we're going from 0.67
Do you mind
to
showing the sheet?
9999. So let's take our handy dandy calculator. If you have a newer calculator, it's pretty simple. You just type in whatever you want to go to. And I'm going to type it in, second bars, normal CDF from 0.67, comma, or down to 9999, and paste. Now, if you have an older calculator, you're just going to type in parentheses 0.67 and 9999 and close parentheses. We're taking those pills, Miss Dennis.
I thought it
Enter.
was negative.
What?
-67, no?
No, it's positive 0.67. Let me look, make sure. Oh, shoot.
And we can't see a sheet.
Okay, I'm sorry. Negative 0.67 would be down here. My bad.
I'm so confused.
Now, don't use that to be confused. I just looked at I just wrote down the wrong thing. Oh, me. So somebody retype that into the calculator, please, and use the negative. Oh.
Is that the negative we just colored?
Negative 0.67. All right, now I'm going to hit the calculator and do negative 0.67. Second bar, enter, and I'm going to put second insert, second delete, and put a negative in there and hit enter. 0.7486. 0.7486. That is the area from negative 0.67 to infinity. Okay, now let's do 0.05. 0.05 is right here. It's right beside, what is this line right here called? Somebody tell me what this line right here is called. I'll give you a hint, starts with an M.
Is it the median?
It's the medial. It's the middle. It's the median. It's the mean. It's the middle. Okay. So let me ask you a question. If 0.01 is right beside that yellow line, then what is your answer going to be close to?
0.
Morning, thanks for calling.
Well, what is the percent at that yellow line?
Okay, so
50%.
take your name and number and have.
So your answer is going to be close to what? 50%.
50%.
So we're going to go from 0.05 to infinity.
9580644.
I'm going to highlight this in green.
And you're interested in a room here? Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not going to color over that pink because it'd be a mess. So I'm just going to outline in, okay? So from 0.05 to infinity. From 0.05 to infinity is going to be normal CDF, the second, enter, and then I'm going to put 0.05 right here. And enter. I got 0.4801. 0.4801.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so my answer is 0.4801 for my green and 0.7486 for my pink. All right, now I want you to work on the orange and the blue down here. I mean, on your sheet, do the orange and the blue. And remember, you're going to the right, not the left, the right. Okay. So your handy dandy calculator So we're going to go from negative 1.65 to infinity. So second vars, normal CDF, negative 1.65 to infinity, which is 99999. And I got 0.9505.
That's what I got.
0.9505. Okay, and we do the blue. The blue is second vars, normal CDF, 1.54 to infinity. And I got 0.0618.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And there is your 4 answers. Now that is 4 test questions. So if you can do the one before this one, like it says to the left, and then you can do this one to the right, that's 8 test questions that could be on the test. So let's type them in and let's see what we get. Negative 0.67 is 0.7486. To the right of 0.05 is 0.4801. Negative 1.65, 0.9505. And the last one, 0.0618. We got all 4 of them right.
Hubert, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So I understand whenever it wants us to find areas to the right or left of the Z, but what about whenever it wants us to find areas between like Z equals negative
You just go
2.12?
from left to right on you draw a picture and you just go left to right. So like, for instance, I have a problem. Let me see if one of these is, let me see.
I think
Let's
the
see.
next homework question is like that.
Okay, let's try that. 7.29/4. 7.29/4. Okay, there we go. 7.29/4. And I'm probably going to use, why do they get off on doing 3 or 4? Why can't they just do 1? All right. So I'm just going to do 1 at a time on my sheets. So 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, and -1.26, -1.26, and it's right about here. And make sure you draw a picture, because I've actually had students in other classes, they don't draw the pictures because they don't need it. And guess who's asking the questions? They don't draw. You draw the picture so you can see it. That's why you draw the picture. And 1.26 is right about here. And they want to know the area in between. Okay, so what do you do? Inverse normal CDF from where to where?
Negative 1.26 to positive 1.26.
That's it. So your handy dandy calculator. Normal CDF. From negative 1.26 to positive 1.26. And enter. And I get 0.7923. And that should be your answer. 0.7923. That's why you draw a picture so you can see it. So 0.7923. And now we're going to do negative 1.34 and 0. Negative 1.34 and 0. Negative 1.34 and 0. So I'm going to do normal CDF and go from what to what?
Negative
Left to
one.
right.
Negative 1.34 to what?
0.
0. Negative 1.34 to 0. I got 0.4099. 0.4099. Okay, let's move along. 0.4099. Next one. Negative 1.13. Negative 1.13. And the other one is negative 0.56. So we're going to take the handy dandy calculator. Negative 1.13. Negative 1.13, comma, or 2, point negative 0.56. .1585. 0.1585. And that's how you do in between. Okay, now that, I think we did 4 questions. We did 4 questions, and this is 4 questions. That's 12 possible questions I could give you on the test. Next question. 7.2. I'm looking to see in order. They're not in order. Hold on. Let's see. That was number 9. 7.2, number 9. All right. 7.211/5. 7.211/5. If it's not a different question, I'm not going to, let me see if it's a little bit different. Okay. Find the area under the normal curve to the left of -3 and to the right of +3. Now, somebody tell me what is different about this problem?
Combined. It wants combined area.
You're combining. Now, why are you combining them? Because they are what? Starts with an S.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical. How do you know that? Well, -3 is symmetrical to +3. But if you draw a picture, 0, 1, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. They said to the left of -3 and to the right of what?
Positive.
Okay. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can get both areas and add them together, or since they are symmetrical, you can do the area on the left and multiply that by 2. I don't care which one you do. So we know this is -9999, right? -9999. So this is going to be -9999 to -3. So take your handy dandy calculator and go second bars, normal CDF, -9999 to negative what? 3. And that is 0.0013. 0.0013. And this over here is 0.0013. Since they are symmetrical. And 0013 plus 0013 is 00 what? 26.
26.
And that is the combined area to the left and to the right. And yes, that is a test question. But think about it, people. What is half the problem? Drawing it. Because if you can draw the problem, chances are you might can figure it out as long as you got a calculator. And as long as you can't break an anvil with a banana, which some of y'all can do.
What?
Very well. So the 0.0026.
You round up for this one.
What?
You round up for it.
I
Oh,
did. 0013 and 0013 is 0026. Oh, come on. Is this one got 3 parts too? Good gosh. All right, let's do another 3-part question.
Told you.
Here's my drawing. Okay, left of negative 1.55. So negative 1.55, 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And we're going to the left of negative 1.55 and to the right of 2.55. Okay, so here's my drawing. Negative 1.55 is right there. And they want to go to the left of it. And 2.55 to the right of it. Why am I drawing in different colors? The last one I drew in the same color. Why am I drawing different colors here?
There's
They're
different
not-
answers.
Because they're not what?
Symmetrical.
They're not symmetrical. You must be paying attention to these videos, Miss Dennis. You're answering all these questions today. All right, so do your thing. Do your calculator. Negative 9999 to negative 1.55. And then 2.55 to 9999. So here we go. Clear, clear. Okay, so second bars, normal CDF, negative 9999 to negative 1.55. I got 0.0606. And then on the right hand side, second bars, normal CDF from 2.55 to 9999. .0054. So 0660. Somebody help me out. Add them together. Somebody add .0054 and .0606. What do you get? Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. I'll do it myself. .0054 plus .0660. Okay, I got, wow. Did I type it in right? No, I didn't. Dork. .0054. Y'all settle down. Thanks for trying to answer. 0.0606. Thank y'all. Y'all settle down. 0.0660. Appreciate y'all's cooperation and interaction and communication. Means a lot. Y'all suck. And C through D. We might as well just make this C through D and do 26 parts. Good gosh. I don't mind having one or two, but good gracious, one right after the other. Oh. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. And this is -0.22, -0.22. And they want to go under the curve to the left. And to the right of.
Is it 1.10? That's what you.
1.10. 1.1 would be right here. So, same thing. -9999 second bars. I'm sorry. That's okay. CDF, I'm talking to myself. Don't worry, I'm not talking to y'all because y'all won't talk to me. -9999 to -0.22. So the blue area, I got 0.4129. For the pink area, second enter, 1.10, comma, 9999. 0.1357. 0.1357 plus 0.4129. 0.4129. I got 0.5486. Let's see if it's right. 0.5486. Well, that's about what? 9 questions that we went over today. And my head's about cream corn, so we're going to wait and do some more of these Tuesday. Okay? All right, y'all get out of here. Keep working on 7.1 and 7.2. I'm going to delete these that I just went over.
Can I see that
did.
picture?
Did you figure out how to do these on Excel?
Did I what?
Can you do these on Excel?
No, you're going to have to use a calculator on these.
Okay.
Because I don't think you can, I'll have to look, but I don't think you can do these on Excel. I'm trying to think. You would have to I'd have to look up normal CDF and see if you could actually do it.
Okay.
That's something I'll have to do. Remind me at the beginning of class Monday, and hopefully I can see if we can do it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. You have a
And
good
y'all
day.
have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
You do the same. Be